Goat. Goose. Gate. Oh, hello. I was just in the middle of thinking things that start with the letter G and make the G sound. Can you make the G sound?
G.
Splendid. In other words, very good. Now let's see. Ghost, gorilla, gorgonzola. Oh, Z's found another good G word. Let's play the what starts with game. Game. Game starts with what sound?
G.
Good going. Now let's see. Does Miffy start with a G sound?
No.
Correct. But what about Ooby? Does Ooby start with a G?
No.
Gosh, you are good. Well then, what do you think? Does Gullah Gullah Island start with a G sound?
Yes.
Golly, Gullah Gullah does start with G. And Gullah Gullah Island is starting soon.